Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Snapcut. So Snapcut is a tool that lets you transform long videos into short clips. So a lot of the times we have to extract various short clips from long videos, but that can be really time consuming if you use something like Adobe Premiere Pro or any other editors. But the best part about Snapcut is that it automatically detects all the important clips on your long video and then it is going to give you all those clips. Now you can choose what clips you want to keep. And another great feature on here is that Snapcut also has editor, so you can edit your videos, you can reframe your videos. So once we cut clips into short clips, the problem we are going to face is the frame. The frame might not be focusing on the actual speaker, but for that Snapcut has auto framing. It also has smart caption, AI hook selection and so many other editing features. And Snapcut is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is over $100, but at Appsumo you are getting the lifetime deal at only $49. Now let's have a look at all the plans and features. So here are all the features. You're going to get the AI auto selection of base cuts. There is going to be auto reframing. There is AI auto captions in 20+ languages. You can edit that caption. There is going to be no watermark from Snapcut. You can render up to 4K video resolution. You can also select the caption style. There is going to be 90-day storage lifespan for your videos that you upload. There are multiple aspect ratios to choose from. You can download the raw videos and there are also access to premium and custom brand templates. And these are three tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 is going to cost $49. Here you get 200 processing minutes per month. So this particular time is going to be spent according to the videos that you upload. For example, if you upload a podcast that is 30 minutes long, so for that one particular video, 30 minutes is going to be cut from this 200 minutes. So this is how the processing minutes are going to work. So if you need more minutes, you can opt for the tier 2 where you get 500 processing minutes. And the highest tier is this tier 3. It is going to cost $229 and here you get a lot of processing minutes. It's super massive, so 1650 processing minutes per month. So if you want to buy Snapcut on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now before I show you how Snapcut is going to work, let me first take a look at the roadmap. So here's the roadmap of Snapcut. So these are all the features that they are going to add. And then you can also see 2 features that have been already added. Now let me go to the dashboard and show you how this tool is going to work. So once you log into Snapcut, this is a super simple dashboard. There is no complicated option or it is not filled with any loading options. So you get a straight page just like this one. And here you have to provide your video link and you can provide your video link from so many different sources. So here are all the platforms that are supported with Snapcut: YouTube, Dailymotion, Facebook, Instagram, Vimeo, Dropbox, Twitch and Loom. So almost all the top video platforms or video hosting platforms, they are available on here and you can edit your podcast, motivational speeches, reviews, commentary videos. So all of these videos are available to edit or get the clips from on Snapcut. And for example, you have a video on your computer, so you do not have the link, you just want to upload that. You can also do that. You can simply drag or drop that file directly on here, or you can also click on this choose a file. So this is going to open your computer and then you can upload the file directly on here. And keep in mind the files that are supported for uploading is MP4, MOV and WebM. So before I upload this video, there's another feature or section on here that I want to show you. So that is this brand studio. So you can upload your branding information such as logo or some other stuff on here. So just go to this brand studio and now you can create one. So let me create. So as you can see, one brand studio has been created. Now I can also rename this from here. And first of all, I can upload media for the visual overlay. So it could be logo, CTA or something else. So let me upload a media. So as you can see, I have uploaded my logo. So here's the logo. Now I can obviously make it larger or make it shorter or smaller if I want. And it is always going to appear on top of the video on the top left side. So I can also adjust that. For example, if I want it on the right side, I can also take that on here, or I can also take it to the bottom. But I think I will keep it just here. And obviously I can change it from here. And then there is also this timing feature, which means I can pinpoint exactly when I want to show it. So it could be always. So it is set to always, which means the videos that I edit, this particular logo is always going to be available on those short clips that I get on Snapcut, or it could also be first 15% of the clip, or 45%, or last 15%. So if you think the logo is distracting, or the image that you uploaded that is distracting, you can also select first 15 or first 45 or last 15. I'm just going to keep it always. And then other than the visual overlay, I can also add videos for intro and outro. So if I want an outro or an intro always on my video, I can also upload that on here, and then I can add that on the short clips that I have. So I'm not going to upload any videos for the intro or outro. I'm just going to keep this visual overlay. So let's just click on this create brand studio, and as you can see, one brand has been added. So now let me go back to the dashboard, and now let's provide a YouTube link. So instead of uploading, I'm just going to give a YouTube link. Okay, so here's one video that I have opened. It is about the latest quantum chip from Google. It has to be one of the best quantum computing chip the world has ever seen. You probably already heard about it. So this is a video about that, which is 6 minutes long. So I'm just going to copy the URL of this video. Now let me go back to the dashboard. And now all I have to do is just provide the link on here. Now let's click on get the clips. Okay, before I do that, I have to select the speech language, which means the video that I uploaded or provided the link. So what is the language of this video? So I'm just going to select English because it is in English. And if I want to translate it to some other language, I can also do that. All I have to do is just make sure I mark this particular option. And if I do not want any clip from here, if I just want to edit this particular video, I can enable this option. But what I want to do is get the clips, automatically want the AI to detect some clips from this 6 minutes video. So all I have to do is just click on generate. And as you can see, the video has now been scrapped. So now the AI is going to find some important clips from this 6 minute long video. Okay, so the video has been uploaded. As you can see, it is now appearing. So once it is uploaded, the AI has extracted all the clips. You're going to get it on here. So let's just click on this. So here are all the clips that we have got from that particular quantum AI chip video. And as you can see, we have got a lot of clips, and the best part is on each of these clips there are editing options, download option. You can also download only the subtitle file as well as the raw file. For example, if I play any video, let me play this first one, which is the future applications of quantum computing.
Looking to the future with Willow, we continue our journey towards building large-scale and useful error-corrected quantum computers that will push the boundaries.
So as you can see, here is the preview of the video, and you can also see how long this video is. It is about 22 seconds long, and you can also get a score about this video, which means if this video is going to be a good short clip for uploading on any social platform. And you can also get the full transcript of this video from here. So just like this one, we have a lot of different clips, and on each of the clip you can see the title. You can know more about the video or get some details about the video from here. And for example, if I want to edit any video, I have to click on this edit video. And now the video editor has opened. And the best part is when you want to frame your video, there's this position feature. So it lets you position or reframe your video. So if you just increase or decrease the percentage, you can take it to the left side or the right side in order to make sure the speaker is on the right frame. And just like that, you can also adjust the aspect ratio from here. So if you click on here, as you can see, it is set to portrait, but you can also switch to square. So now it is set to square, and it is going to detect the speaker so that it can make sure that it places the speaker on the middle. And you can also do the same on this landscape. So this is basically how the editor is going to work. And at the bottom of the video, you can get the full timeline for this particular clip. And since I opened this clip, I can only edit this one. But if I want to edit any other clip, I can also do that. Just go back and then I can select that clip in order to edit that. And other than this position editing or the timeline, you also have some other options such as this subtitle style. So as you can see, now it is the subtitle style, this particular one, which is simple. I can also switch to this one. So as you can see, this style has changed. Now if I play this video, so as you can see, the subtitle style has been changed. So just like this, you can change the subtitle style just by switching the templates. And the best part is you can even edit the theme for this particular font. So here are all the options. Here are all the options that you can use in order to edit this particular font template. So you can change the font family, weight, color, shadow, stroke, caption, size, position, animation, color, animation. All these settings can be changed. And you can also do the same from here. So font color, font size, highlight color, colors. You can also change all of these settings from here. And if you want, you can even create your own template. Just click on create template. Now you can create your own font template for subtitle. So these are all the settings about subtitle. And if you want to edit your subtitle, the text on the subtitle, you can also do that from here. So first of all, we have this looking to the future, and as you can see, here is the looking to the future. Now if you want to edit this, you can also edit whatever you want. For example, if you want to add an E, so as you can see, just like this one, you can edit the subtitle. And once you click on a word, you can also add line break or remove the word. You can select the particular timing. You can delete this. You can also disable caption if you want. And then there is the branding studio that I already showed you. For example, if I enable this one, as you can see, the logo is now going to appear on this clip. So this is how you can super easily add your branding to your videos, to all the clips that you get. And then there is also this B-roll. So here you are getting the full transcript of the video. So on this B-roll section, you can add various B-rolls or various clips according to the transcript of the video. For example, when this willow word is said, I want to add a B-roll. So all I have to do is just select this word and then click on add B-roll. Now I can add all these free videos. Any of the free videos, stock videos. These videos are provided by Pixels, and I can also add various free images to this particular word when this particular word is said on the video. So just like this, I can do the same for the other words. For example, if I want to do it for these 3 words with future commercially, I can also add a B-roll for just these 3 words, which means when these 3 words are said, one particular stock image or video is going to appear according to the content that I select. It could be videos or image. So the video editor is super basic, but you get all of the important features that you need in order to edit your short clips. And once you have your clip ready, you can save it as draft in order to use it later, or you can also download it in order to use it now. So just like this, you can edit any of these clips. You can also download any of these clips. You can also download the SRT file, which is the subtitle file, and you can also download the raw video. So overall, I think Snapcut is an excellent tool that lets you transform your long videos into short clips. And the best part is you do not have to pick the clips manually. All you have to do is just upload your video or provide the link of your video. And the AI of Snapcut is going to extract all the important clips from your video, which is amazing. And once you get all the clips, all the short clips from your long videos, you can then add subtitle. You can edit that. You can reframe that. There are so many other options. You can also download the subtitle file. You can even download the raw file. So there are so many options on here. So if you want to buy Snapcut on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all these features, and these are 3 tiers that you can buy from Appsumo.
So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description, and once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this, and on this box you have to provide your email, then click on unlock my 10%, and then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link, and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift, and this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.